Hello, this is the Ivy Bee Man. We're going to do a quick hive inspection today. This hive was, I came and found the hive pushed over. So I'm going to quickly zip up. I don't know what I'm going to find in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check the camera real fast. And I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. So this is a basic Langstroth hive. This is what a lot of the most common thing a beekeeper will use. This hive, like I said, was, let me see. I mean, yeah, it moves quite good, but I mean, because it wouldn't be easy for it wouldn't be too easy. I mean, it would be easy for somebody to push it over. Yeah. There's still bees here. Hello, friends. Yep, they're pissed. Let me check my suit real fast. Make sure there's no holes anywhere. Okay. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna take a break for a minute. I've got to go grab a smoker.